Now today we're going to cover the last DDR4 memory that I have currently from ASGARD, and these ones are called BRAGI, as well as on any other memory sticks from ASGARD. We have some quite interesting artwork, but that's a completely different story. Right here we have even better RAMs than that we had with VALKYRIE, even better performance, lower CL, and quite interesting information. Now, first of all, they have this quite nice design. You have a diffused LED on top that covers the whole top part, and you have some black part, kind of reminds you of the Trident Z from G.Skill. And then on the side parts, we have a completely gloss part, which is a passive heatsink that cools down the chips, and it really does look nice. I have to say, the mirror effect looks outstanding. If you go with some silverish build, you can do it quite nicely. Now for the benchmarks and everything else, we have manufacturer, which is ASGARD, of course. DRAM components manufacturer is Samsung, with the package of standard monolithic 78 ball FPGA. We have B die Boltzmann 20 nanometer with one die. Composition is 64 megabits times 8 times 16 banks. Input clock frequency is 1067 megahertz. Now when we check the speeds on these ones, these are quite interesting just because we have even greater speeds than VALKYRIE. Now the read speeds are almost up to 53,000 megabytes, the write speeds are almost at 54, copy is 50,000 megabytes, and the latency is actually really lower than like 3 nanoseconds lower. Now here we're talking about CL14, which is incredible, and we have voltage at 1.45 volts. So we have a higher voltage than on VALKYRIE for 0.1, and we have lower CL, which brings us to the point where we get higher performance. They look outstanding, without a doubt. There's no writing on top of these RAMs, nothing quite clear and subtle, yet we have an ASGARD logo right here, which is also quite nice and subtle, and you get a reflection mirror look-alike silver heatsinks that do the job for the cooling. Quite nice. Now inside the box, which I did skip on the front, inside the box, let's check it out. We get, of course, the schematics, which actually look quite interesting. I mean, getting this inside the box gives you more idea, and they're actually, this kind of explains everything. The design is actually based on piano notes and keys, so this is why you have it like so. This is why they are placed like this. And the cool thing, you don't have any stickers on your RAM, so nice clean design without a doubt. Since we're talking about mirror finish, we have a nice cloth to clean it up, and it has engraved the ASGARD inside. Of course, protection for the contacts, and you get, if you want, you get a sticker to attach them to your memory. Of course, if you're looking for a clean build that doesn't have any stickers, that doesn't have any unnecessary stuff, you're not going to place them. If we open the box, you get gloves, which kind of make it easier for you guys to place the RAMs inside the case, inside the build, without making any stains or leaving fingerprints on the RAMs. So compared to VALKYRIE, I'm definitely more satisfied with the performance right here. The design is quite nice. The VALKYRIE are also outstanding RAMs with a bit lower performance, but nothing too drastical that you would consider switching to Digis instead of those. I would only say that you can actually choose between those two depending on your build and depending on the design that you wish to accomplish inside your build. So yeah, quite interesting. Placing the ASGARD BRAGI link where you can check out the prices in the description below, so you can learn even more information if you need to check out something, and that's basically it. Finally, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and notification bell so you don't miss any future content, and hopefully I will see you in another one. Thanks for watching, bye bye.